यो तपाईको कुनै पनि काम होइन. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. राम्रो स्वर्ग. Good heavens. Good heavens. वाक्यहरू सावधानीपूर्वक पढ्नुहोस्. Read the sentence carefully. Read the sentence carefully. मसँग एक पैसा पनि छैन. I don't have a single पैसा. I don't have a single पैसा. मलाई माफ गरिदेऊ. I am sorry. I am sorry. के तपाईँ अंग्रेजी बोल्नुहुन्छ? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? उनले जे भने पनि सत्य होइन. Whatever he say is not true. Whatever he say is not true. दैनिक व्यायामले तपाईलाई फिट र स्वस्थ बनाउँछ. Daily exercise makes you fit and healthy. Daily exercise makes you fit and healthy. के तपाईँ ठट्टा गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? Are you kidding? Are you kidding? सबै ठीक छ. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. हरेक पल उसको मनमा भारी थियो. Every moment weighed heavily on him. Every moment weighed heavily on him. कस्तो बकवास. What nonsense. What nonsense. कृपया जति सक्दो चाँडो आउनुहोस्. Please come as soon as possible. Please come as soon as possible. तपाईँ सफल हुनुहुनेछ. May you be successful. May you be successful. हिजो सिनेमा हेर्न जानु भएन. Didn't you go to the cinema yesterday? Didn't you go to the cinema yesterday? परीक्षा मेरो टाउकामा छ. The examination is on my head. The examination is on my head. के मैले गर्नुपर्छ? Do I have to? Do I have to? म धेरै राम्रो महसुस गर्छु. I feel much better. I feel much better. मसँग विकल्प छैन. I have no alternative. I have no alternative. मसँग आउनुहोस्. Join me. Join me. तपाईको मन पर्ने र मन नपर्ने के हो? What are your likes and dislikes? What are your likes and dislikes? म आज चाँडै जानुपर्छ. I have to leave. I have to leave. तिमी मबाट के चाहन्छौ? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? यो तपाईलाई मन पर्दैन. This doesn't behove you. This doesn't behove you. शुभ यात्रा. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. हामी भाँचिने छौं तर झुक्ने छैनौं. We will break what no bend. We will break what no bend. मलाई एक कृपा गर्नुहोस्. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. कस्तो अप्ठ्यारो. What a bother. What a bother. तपाईँ घुम्नुहोस्. You turn. You turn. किन रिसाएको? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? म यसको कदर गर्छु. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. अंग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि भिडियोलाई फलो, लाइक, शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला.